Tiff Farms, and I'm here with Riri's Garden. And I just wanted you guys to meet her because I'm excited. We're here at the Soil Fest, and I just love meeting new creators and gardeners in general. So Riri, first let's start off with how you got Riri's Garden name.
So my real name is Renita, and my oldest son, who will be 21 this month, decided to name my garden Riri's Garden, and so we went with
All
it.
right, I like that because it's organic, it's natural, and it's you.
It's just me.
Yeah. So I like your shirt. Did you design it?
No, ma'am. Actually, my same son. I love dragonflies and butterflies, and he made it for me. He made it for me, so
wow.
and pink's my favorite color.
Oh, it's awesome, awesome. So tell me about how you got into gardening and where you're from.
So I'm from Florida. I'm in Zone 9B, but all of my family lives at least 2 hours away, but majority lives in Tennessee. So I don't get to see them, and we purchased a home like 2 years ago, and I just started a garden. I didn't know that I could even garden, and here we are.
You're living in an excellent zone or climate and everything.
Yeah, apparently so, yes ma'am.
You can do tropical to anything.
Almost anything, almost year round.
Right.
Yes.
Oh man, I'm gonna have to visit you one day because
Yes.
I mean, I'm in Georgia, North Georgia, but still, it's like a big difference of what I can grow versus what you can grow.
Yes.
Like a lot of the fruits, but you know, the citrus.
I have papayas, guavas, mangoes. I have some flowers that you have to, like succulents.
Yeah.
Coleus, different flowers that have to be cold in colder weather.
Right. So do you grow indoors like house plants, or you just totally outdoors?
Outdoors.
Okay. I like
kill indoor
house
plants.
plants. I do everything. I try to do everything and then experiment with something different. Like one year, I grew peanuts because I said, hey, I'm in Georgia. Everybody talks about the peanuts, and I just said, well, let me grow peanuts, and it was great. And then I did get a papaya and a dragon fruit at Lowe's on sale on the reduced rack for like $5. It was off season.
Okay.
So when I get back home, that's what I gotta, pot up and tray. It works in, my.
I've been looking for that video.
Yeah, I have to grow it. I have to move it, in the wintertime, because it's not gonna tolerate the cold temp. But for Georgia, but we got, gardeners do what we got to do to preserve our
culture. Yes,
culture,
we do.
what we do. Well, that's good. So since you've been to Fort Lauderdale, how long have you been gardening? Since you just moved in, or so when did you pick it up? What year?
What are we in? 25, 23.
Okay.
The beginning of 23. We moved in like in December, so maybe like that first spring, but I was already behind the curve of trying to plant stuff, so when I started, I didn't know anything about gardening, so I was buying stuff and doing things, and it
Trial and error, and you know what?
it was an experience.
Yeah.
It was definitely a learning experience.
But when you have I never say there's failure or a negative. It's all about learning and growth.
Yes, ma'am.
So what's been your biggest challenge?
Learning watering, getting the watering right, and fertilizing. Once I started doing research on that and starting to really try and understand, I have to have food and I have to have water. So I need nutrients and water. My plants need the same thing.
Yeah.
Learning that balance, and once I understood like that, my garden looks so much better.
Oh wow, I can't wait to see pictures later on. That'll be nice.
Yes.
Okay, well I thank you so much for your time. I gotta give you a hug.
Yes, I was gonna say give me a hug. Thank you. Thank you.
I appreciate your time, and I know you're busy, but I know it's something that we're passionate about. It's in our heart. So I know coming here is a lot for a lot of people to move away from their garden. We're here about 4 days for the fest. But I know when we get back, everybody knows what we're going to be doing. We're going to be digging in the dirt.
We'll be busy.
Or the soil. All right, thanks so much.
Thank you.
Appreciate it.
Thank you.